Hi guys, do you want to record a beautiful sunset or a sunrise with your GoPro and you don't want to sit around waiting for the precise moment? Well, Scheduled Capture is a feature available on GoPros that will wake up with the GoPro at a certain time automatically, and it's really easy to use. So in this video I'm going to show you how to switch it on and how to use it. Alright, so Scheduled Capture is a feature available on pretty much most GoPros, especially the new ones, and it's also very easy to set up. And it's going to allow us to set up the GoPro and record beautiful sunsets automatically. So that's pretty cool. Now it's available on all three modes, including photo, video and time-lapse. So for a sunset, let's switch to the time-lapse mode. So to use Scheduled Capture, click and hold on the currently selected profile at the bottom, and this will take us to the current settings for the profile. Now on the bottom left, there is a Scheduled Capture option. Click on that, and then we need to switch it on by swiping where it says off until it says on. And now we need to set the time that we want the GoPro to switch on automatically. So for example, we can set the time to be sunset or sunrise. We also want to set the duration, and we can change it from 30 seconds to 3 hours. So I imagine something like 30 minutes or 1 hour would probably be sufficient for a sunset. Now if we hit the record button, we get a message that it's all set up, and we can now safely switch off the GoPro to save battery life. If we are concerned that we might not have enough battery, then we can always plug it into a USB power bank and then set up the camera ready to go. So when the time is reached, the GoPro will automatically come on and it's going to start recording. Now obviously make sure the internal clock of the GoPro is set to the correct time. Now one thing to know is that it's not possible to set it to record on a different day other than the next day, and it's also not possible to get to repeat each day, for example. Now setting up Scheduled Capture on the other modes like photo and video mode is just as easy. Just select the mode and follow the same steps as the time lapse that we've already done. So how cool is that? So it's pretty easy to set up Scheduled Capture on the GoPro. Enjoy it and let me know in the comments what you managed to capture with this feature. Alright, take care.